I'd like to introduce you to Dr. Chang, a renowned plastic surgeon who has worked in Liverpool Hospital, Fairfield Hospital, Bankstown Hospital. In fact, there are not too many places in Sydney where Dr. Chang has not worked. He's renowned, he's a specialist, and it's exciting to hear about some of the surgeries that you've been involved in. You're a keloid specialist, you're also a scar tissue specialist. What are some of the surgery procedures that you find probably the most challenging and rewarding for you in your practice?
Well, Steve, I'm a plastic surgeon, and plastic surgery covers a wide range of procedures. Trauma, birth defects, burns, reconstructive work, and also cosmetic surgery. I think in the context of my work in the public hospital is mainly reconstructive, trauma and skin cancer and that kind of work. But now in private practice, obviously there is a bias towards cosmetic surgery. And I guess that's what I'm talking about, is that my interest is in eyelids, but I also have an enduring interest in scars, and especially keloid scars. And I also done a lot of hand surgery in my time, and I have special training in America for hand surgery. And I've done a lot of that in the public hospital with traumas. Hand trauma is very common, and also fractures, facial fractures in car accidents and fights and things like that. I've done a lot of that sort of work.
Well, with over 30 years experience and now in private practice, are you finding more women as they age and look for cosmetic opportunities to make their eyes maybe stand out or even look younger, looking towards the eyelid surgery?
Well, one of the aging processes to the eyelid is that you got this droopy eyelid appearance, and that's make you look a little bit sleepy and a little bit dopey. And by reducing the skin fold, lifting the skin hooding, so to speak, does make you look younger, make them feel better. And the other thing about aging is that the eye bags start to appear. You look at me, you know. Eye bag is a sign of aging, and to be able to flatten that does make you look younger, and I think that's what people want.
You're also renowned to being able to change the shape of the eyelid for the Asian eye. How does that work?
Well, it is generally perceived that Asians' eyelids looks a bit slit-like. That means the eye is very narrow and elongated, and also the upper eyelid looks a bit flat and featureless. And by creating what they call a double eyelid appearance, does make the eye look bigger and rounded up, and this makes them look more attractive. Some people regarding that as making an Asian look like Caucasian, but in my view that is not true. And I think women's pursuit is to look attractive, and a rounded, larger eye is more attractive, and I think that's what they want.
And I think too, at the end of the day, it's what's going to make the woman feel more attractive to themselves, and it's about self-esteem and confidence in a lot of cases, isn't it, with cosmetic surgery?
Well, I think that's what cosmetic surgery is about, is for a person's self-esteem. If you look good, you feel good.
Cosmetic surgery can enhance your life and help you change those things that will give you better self-confidence. If you'd like to find out more about cosmetic surgery, you can visit the new rooms practicing in private with Dr. Lionel Chang in Bankstown, Cabramatta and also Burwood. Have a look around the website to see a little bit more about Dr. Lionel Chang's procedures and work on www.drlionelchang.com.au. I'm Steve Wisbey.